Sand. It seems like it's a never-ending cycle when you own your own business. There's some information that I really want you guys to take to heart and really think about it. For example, if you guys have a photo booth rental business at this moment and your goal is to stay booked, that's great. I think we all start there with that mentality. But here's the thing that's been happening to me lately, because I've been in business for almost a year and a half from the making of this video. It really works well when you have another assistant or you have a wife or a partner that helps you with the photo booth rental business. But somewhere along the line, you guys are gonna get so busy, then the next step is to get another photo booth or another 360 booth, right? So what happens now? You have to split the team, and you're happy because you're making money there and you're making money here. But what happens after that, guys? Now you guys are busy with administrative work. You guys are busy with emails. You're busy with editing, marketing, social media, logistics, preparation, takedown, put everything, and it's only two of you guys. So the point I'm trying to make now is being in the photo booth industry has allowed me to really get a taste of what it is to be the technician on a daily basis for the business. And quite honestly, I'm exhausted. So I'm thinking far out. Where do I want to take my business to? Thankfully, in the first year, I made a little over $80,000, and that was take-home money, with probably averaging about 20 to 25 hours a week as far as work goes. Now, keep in mind, guys, that I do have affiliate accounts, so that helps also boost my income in the photo booth industry. I want to share a couple of tips with you. Tip number one is, if you're in the business already or thinking of going into the photo booth rental business, I want you guys to think, how am I going to run this business from a distance? How do I remove myself from the equation? That's one thing I want you guys to really put some thought into, because right now I'm at a point where I can tell you guys I run multiple businesses. But I would be lying to you if I told you guys I own multiple businesses. See, the owner just owns the business and doesn't have to do nothing, if not minimal work, to keep that business afloat. That's the level that you guys want to get to. So how are you guys going to work out the infrastructure of your business so that your business can stride and blossom without you? If you take a vacation, 2-week vacation, will your business still bring in revenue and bring in those profits? The answer is yes, my friend, you are at a good place. Second tip I want to provide you guys with. Second tip is, when you're starting off your business, try to recruit immediately and have employees make money before you do. The reason I would say do this, and this is the tip I'm offering you guys, is because you'll get used to being in the background and not having to be the captain or the superstar of your business. In fact, you'll have people out there executing on your business plan, and you're orchestrating everything. So you get people with different talents, bring them together. Now you have someone that does the editing for you, the emails for you, and you have someone that's actually going to the events. This is gonna allow you to stay in that throne and make decisions from afar and not limit the business due to you, yourself, the operator. So I want you guys to be business owners, and I want you to scale your business to make over $125,000 a year and working part-time from home. Now, if you guys are interested in this journey, continue to follow this channel, because I'm going to continue showing off my journey, being very transparent about the things that are working and the things that are not so hot. So stay tuned in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.